Hi, we've recently bought this Fiat Panda Mk3 4-wheel drive. It's in black, and we thought it'd be rather nice to liven it up a bit with some mirror cowlings. And I bought these unpainted and just painted them orange with a bit of spray paint. Now I want to try and fit them. First step for me is to try and prise the mirror off its mount without breaking the mirror. That'd be good. It didn't break. As somebody said on the forum that I looked at recently, it requires a little bit more force than you think it would take to break the mirror. Can you see these connectors on the back here for the mirror heater? They'll have to come off. Just to get the mirror out of the way, really. And the next thing that we need to do, don't know if you'll be able to see from there, but there's 4 screws which separate the mount mechanism and the little servos from the main body, so I'm going to have to undo those. Right, once those are all off, we can move this outer section independently of the main mirror controls and have a look inside here. We can see these 4 tangs that secure the cowling to the main part of this body here, so we have to remove those and pull it out. That one's the hardest one to get to. Oh dear, I didn't want to do that because now I've put a mark. I dropped it. Anyway, and in its place, it's going this. Right, all the tanks are locked in. So now I need to just screw these, line up these holes. They're little threaded standoffs in the housing. They're a little bit hard to line up because you can't see them very well, and it helps to have a magnetic driver. Once you've got one in, then the others should be quite a lot easier. Yeah, when I was reading on the forums, it seemed like some people were arguing that this rotated to come off, but there's no, there's no way that it can rotate. They're locked in. Once you click it in, there's no room to rotate. There's no little ramps to prise it off at all. So it seems to just like pull straight off and push straight on. Right, I'm going to attach the heater wires. Seem a bit flimsy, but I guess I don't see much force applied to them. And it seems a good idea to have it angled out like this so that I can at least see roughly when it's on the clips.
Job done.